Imagine this. You're planning a trip to the States, maybe a business venture, or you're simply receiving payments in US dollars. You need a reliable place to store and manage those dollars. But the big question buzzing in your head is, does Lloyds Bank, my trusted UK bank, actually offer USD accounts? It's a common query, isn't it? We're all looking for convenience and efficiency, especially when it comes to international finance. Navigating the world of foreign currency can feel like deciphering a secret code. So, let's break it down, shall we? Lloyds Bank, a household name in the UK, primarily caters to the British pound sterling. However, the world is becoming increasingly interconnected, and financial institutions are adapting to meet the demands of their customers. So, what about USD? The answer, as with many things in finance, isn't a simple yes or no. Lloyds Bank does offer USD accounts, but they're typically geared towards specific customer segments, mainly those who require international banking solutions. This generally translates to businesses or high-net-worth individuals. If you're a standard retail customer looking for a simple USD savings account, you might find the options more limited. For businesses, Lloyds Bank provides international business accounts that can handle multiple currencies, including USD. These accounts are designed to facilitate international trade, receive payments from overseas clients, and manage foreign currency risk. They come with features tailored to the needs of businesses operating globally. Now, if you're an individual with significant international financial requirements, you might also be able to access USD account options. It's often linked to their private banking services, where personalized financial solutions are offered. However, for the average consumer, the direct path to a standalone USD savings account at your local Lloyds branch might not be as straightforward. You might find that they offer currency exchange services, allowing you to convert GBP to USD for travel or other needs, but not necessarily a dedicated USD account for holding large sums. Why the distinction? Well, maintaining and managing foreign currency accounts involves specific regulatory and operational complexities. Banks need to comply with international financial regulations, manage currency fluctuations, and provide specialized services to cater to the needs of those holding foreign currencies. So, if you're a business looking to manage USD transactions, Lloyds Bank's international business accounts could be a viable option. If you're an individual with substantial international financial needs, exploring their private banking services might be worthwhile. But for everyday personal banking, you might need to consider alternative solutions, such as specialist foreign currency accounts offered by other financial institutions or online platforms. It's always best to contact Lloyds Bank directly or visit their website for the most up-to-date and specific information tailored to your individual needs. Their customer service representatives can provide detailed guidance and clarify the available options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.